Let me show you how you guys can move whole ChatGPT data to another account. Now ChatGPT doesn't has like a merge button. You can click to merge your data to account, but what you can do is click on the two line at the top left and click on your profile picture over here right beside the search button. And from over here, you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you will see data controls. Click on that. From inside here, scroll down and click on export data. Click on open ChatGPT on web. Once ChatGPT opens on web, it'll show you a download folder for ChatGPT's data. Once you download it, you can open another ChatGPT account and import all the data over there. I'll just click on my account and wait for it to log in. And once it logs in over here, data control, you can see it. Export data, I can click on export over here. Confirm export. And basically over here, it says your account details in chat will be included. And remember, a code will be sent to your mail. Check your mail, enter the code, click and continue. The download file will appear. Once you download it from here, you can just open another ChatGPT account and just normally open ChatGPT and click on the plus button on your chat. Click on files and find the file which you downloaded and upload it. Once you upload it, give it to ChatGPT. It'll just download all the data in that way. That's how it works. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.